is Lena Vo. I am from Premier Team Real Estate. Welcome back to Vo's ATX channel. Hello everyone, this is Lena Vo. Today I am standing in front of the Mustang Creek community. It is by D.R. Horton and is located in Hutto, Texas. Today is such a windy day, so when I recorded this video it was too hard to hear me, so I decided to voice over an information that I have that's very important to you as a new buyer. So please follow me on the next 5 questions that may help answer your questions if you're looking for a house to buy in the Austin surrounding area. You can see the community is very new. There's no house has been built yet, and the builder is still working on the 2 model homes. So if you need to schedule an appointment to take a look at the model homes or the lots surrounding, or when they have the release information and pricings, you can contact me. Question number 1 is, where is the community located? It is about 27 miles away from downtown Austin, or 22 miles away from the Austin surrounding area, and is located on FM 1660. Is only about 2.2 miles away from downtown of Hutto, and is located probably about 20 minutes away from most of the high-tech companies in Austin. And it is also located about 8 miles to the restaurant called Salt Lick BBQ, and is one of the nation famous barbecue restaurants in Texas. Round Rock Express, or the Del Diamond, is also 8 miles away. Kalahari Indoor Water Park is also less than 10 minutes drive from this community. Question number 2 is, what school district is this community? It is Hutto School District, and Hutto is one of the award-winning school districts. Gradeschool.org, it shows a scale of 5, but my belief is in the future, Hutto School is going to be comparable to Round Rock and Leander School, as the city has been growing and is one of the fastest growing city in the nation. Number 3, what is the property tax rate here? It is ranging from 2.7 to 2.9%. Number 4, do they allow investors? No, currently they're not allowing any investor purchases. Due to the high in demand and low in supply, they prioritize to sell the products or the houses to customers who are as first homeowner or have not owned the house in the past 3 years. Whenever they have an opportunity for investor, they will also announce it to the realtors. So please check with us if you are looking for an investment opportunity. Lastly, what kind of properties are being built here? There are also 1- and 2-story houses. 1,465 square feet is to be the smallest, and right now in April, this price range for the smallest home is about $267,000. The largest home is about 2,680 square feet, and the price increase after that. So right now, D.R. Horton is actually doing a bidding. They do have a process of selecting the highest and the best bid. So if you're interested in purchasing a home, you would have to bid for a price. Say if the base price is $267 and you wanted to purchase that against 3 or 4 other buyers, then you want to make sure that your price is competitive to the other buyers in order to win the bid, right? So most of builders nowadays are doing that. The reason is because there's multiple things that's happening in the market today. 1, the demand is very high. 2, the builder supplies are very expensive now. It went up to 3 or 4 times compared to last year. And then also the resources for building the house are a little bit short because of the high demand that the market cannot accommodate too many houses to be built at the same times. So all the builders have to raise up the price, either that or they have to do a bidding process in order to stay in the game. All of the houses will have 2-car garage, 3 to 4 bedrooms. Throughout the house, there can be a vinyl flooring. It looks just like wood. And all the carpets are in the bedrooms. The house also includes gutter system that go around the house, all sprinkler system in front and back, and all fully sawed and also fully fenced. Stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. And this community also have a natural gas line. And the house also including a covered patio as well. So all of this mentioned are already included in the sale price. If you have any questions or looking to purchase a house around the Austin area, here's my information. Contact me and I will walk you through the process and we'll try to find you the house. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!